I'm Lauren, I work at Tastemade, and I volunteered to eat ice cream for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day for 7 days. Let's see if I can do this. I'm actually so excited. Hello! It's the day before the ice cream challenge. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna get as much as I possibly can so that I'm prepped and armed for the week. Matt, what do you think of me eating ice cream for 7 days?
I think we're gonna need to buy you more Lactaid.
He might be right. So much ice cream in the cart. Okay, just got my giant box of ice cream from Jenny's. The challenge hasn't even started yet, but look at my freezer. All ice cream. Day 1, breakfast. The featured ice cream of the day is Jenny's Nadali Estate Vanilla. Ooh. So I decided I'm gonna make myself a banana split this morning, but just because, like, you have to taste it before. Let's do this. Day 1 lunch, we are headed to Somi Somi, which is an ice cream shop in Koreatown. So I'm literally just gonna have ice cream for lunch. This tastes great. I'm headed to dinner right now. I definitely felt my blood sugar crash a little bit, so I'm sure this will just get me all hyped up on sugar again. This is one of my favorite desserts of all time. It's banana chocolate bread pudding with vanilla ice cream from B Sweet. Nothing is better. Good morning, day 2 of the ice cream challenge. I'm gonna make myself a smoothie bowl. I have this orange blossom sorbet with edible flowers ice cream. Not bad. So I needed protein for lunch, so I decided to get some sugar fish. And I was looking for wasabi ice cream to dip my sushi in, but I couldn't find that, so I got the next best thing. Matcha ice cream. Dip it in here. Cheers. Not recommended. I really need a snack. What should I pick? I'm gonna go with this milk tea ice cream. Best week ever. Day 2 dinner, I need a little bit more protein, so I decided to make some pork chops. And normally I'll marinate them in something like a little bit sweeter. So I figure what better than using some brown butter almond brittle ice cream. This is what a pork chop looks like with salt, pepper, brown butter ice cream, and soy sauce. The finished product. Not half bad. I might start doing this normally. If you eat a lot of sugar, does it make it harder to sleep? Because I could not sleep last night and I can't get up. I really need to get up. I'm gonna get some breakfast, get a little more sugar in me, and hope that picks me back up for this work day, because I don't know how I'm gonna make it through. Got some nice berries. This will go perfectly in my smoothie. 2 scoops of berry ice cream, half an avocado, some chia seeds, and cashew milk. Lunch today, I'm making my coworkers eat with me, but I'm bribing them with pizza. And apparently there's this trend where people literally just put vanilla ice cream on top of their pizza, so we're gonna try it and see if it's any good. Okay, who's up first? Jamie?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, how thoughtful of you to give me the first bite.
Pizza ice cream taste test, let's do it. Yeah.
Oh.
Guys, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Mm.
It's not bad though, right?
It's not that bad, actually.
It's really not. Was it worth it?
No, what? No.
For dinner tonight, I decided I'm gonna make a delicious chicken stir fry with some coconut rice, and the coconut rice is gonna be made with this. Quick taste test. I'm excited about this. This is gonna be good. Cooking tip, always cook with a little side of ice cream because you get hungry while you're cooking. It's It's hard work. Let's give it a look. Oh no. It's fine, it's fine. It'll just be like a little bit crispier. Definitely crunchy, definitely undercooked, but I'm telling you, that coconut ice cream really tastes amazing with it. This is legitimately good. I would eat this even not doing the challenge. All right, for lunch today, I decided I'm gonna make a little salad. So let's get some lettuce in here.
Is that ice cream on a salad?
Yes, Amir, it is ice cream on a salad.
That's gross.
But I mixed it with olive oil and balsamic, so it'll be like a nice, sweet dressing. It tastes like a normal salad with normal dressing. Okay, these meals are getting better and better as the week goes along. Hot tip, eating a ton of ice cream and also drinking a ton of coffee, it's not that great for your energy levels. I have been spiking and crashing all day long. I had to take myself out for a walk. Dinner, day 4. Crackers, salami, and some ice cream. Replacing my cheese. It's like the same thing, right? First up, Jenny's ricotta toast with red berry geranium jam. This looks so good. That's a winner. This is good. All right, goat cheese with red cherries next. Oh my God. Screw the crackers. I'm just gonna eat this one out of the tub. All right, ice cream number 3. I have a balsamic fig and mascarpone. There's like actual chunks of fig in this, so it makes it like you're literally just eating fig and ice cream on a cracker. Delicious. Black olive brittle and goat cheese. It tastes like olive and cheese on a cracker. These are not bad. I think I picked really good ice creams, and I think you guys should try this at home. It's day 5. What the hell? I don't know how I've made it this far, but somehow I have. Also, I got this super cute hat. How cute is that little guy? All right, for breakfast, I will have this Bananas Foster ice cream with a koi mamon. It's like a parfait. Into this. It's lunchtime and I did not come prepared today. I have to run out really quickly because I have like no time between meetings. I'm gonna go get some ice cream to have with lunch. All right, I got my matcha and strawberry swirl. The reason why this is melty is because I've been taking like 10 million selfies with it. No shame. Oh no. This is lunch. All day long, I felt this like sickness starting, but I ordered some chicken pho. Hopefully that will help warm me up. But the only downside is I have to put a freaking scoop of ice cream in my broth. So I have this cardamom ice cream. So I figured I would just try it before the pho got here to see if I thought it would be okay or not. It's so good, but I know it's gonna be so bad. All right, my pho came, and it smells so good. And now I have to put my cardamom ice cream in it. I'm just gonna let the ice cream melt in here. I think this tops the sushi with matcha ice cream. This is real nasty. I would almost rather just eat the ice cream as my dinner, but I've gone this far. I've ordered the soup. I need to just man up. Wait, actually, it's not the worst thing. I have bad news, you guys. I feel even worse today than I did yesterday. But here's the thing, you guys. It is day 6. I am so close to the finish line. All right, guys, this is breakfast today. I found some pineapple sorbet, and I blended it with some veggies and some green tea. Please cure me. Health. Lunchtime, still not feeling too hot, so I am going to make a little fruit salad with some sorbet. Let's do this. So the sorbet actually is super soothing to my throat, so I am into this. Dinner is this, and a bagel.
I woke up this morning feeling worlds better. Not 100% there, but definitely good enough to power through this day 7. It's the final day. Let's do this. So it's 2 of my really good friends' birthdays today, so we're going to the beach, so I'm gonna power through that too. I got them some Suzy cakes and I got some coffee so I can put ice cream in it at home and have a little affogato for breakfast. Coffee plus ice cream. Heaven. Made it to the beach. Now I have to go eat my lunch, so I gotta go get some fries, and I'm bringing my ice cream with me. If you don't dip your fries in your ice cream or your Frosty, you're doing it wrong. Final meal. Final meal. Final meal. Okay, for my final meal, how many meals has it been? What's 3 times 7? For my final meal, meal number 20 freaking 1 of ice cream, I decided to go big or go home and got a donut ice cream sandwich. Honestly, I can't believe I made it through. Yesterday was really hard. I thought I was gonna quit. I bet you guys thought I was gonna quit, but I didn't. I made it. We're here. I'm finishing this meal. Oh man, the ice cream challenge, done.